Let's look at dividing by 0 and see what happens when we try to evaluate something like this. This is saying 10 divided by 0, and this could be written this way: 10 divided by 0. And in previous videos and previous knowledge, hopefully you can be thinking this: 0 times what will give you 10. Once again, 0 times what will give you 10. Well, some students tend to think, well, 10 will do that. Well, 0 times 10 is not 10, it's actually 0. Some students may think 0 will do it. 0 times 0 is 10. Well, 0 times 0 is not 10, it's 0. So once again, 0 times what gives you 10? And hopefully you're thinking nothing, no number up here when multiplied with 0 will give me 10. So it's almost to say that 0 can't go into 10. Or to think of it this way, 10 divided by 0 is what number? And that's exactly the answer. It's undefined. This particular value, 10 divided by 0, in math we call it undefined. Or I'll say undefined value. There's no definition for the division of 0. So keep that in mind. What if we go the other way? 0 divided by 12. This could be written as 0 divided by 12. So the question is, 12 times what will give you 0? And hopefully you're thinking, well, I know 12 times 0 is 0, so 12 times what gives me 0? That's 0. So this division, 0 divided by 12, actually has a value of 0. So 0 divided by any number, matter of fact, is always 0. But any number divided by 0 is always undefined. Now here's one that's probably not in your book, nor is it talked about, but I think I should show you. What about 0 divided by 0? What value is that? Well, we could write it this way: 0 divided by 0, that is 0 divided by 0. So what question, or the question you should be asking is 0 times what will give you 0? Well, 0 times 1 gives you 0. Is that the answer? 1? Somebody could come along and say, well, 0 times 5 gives me 0, so 0 times 5, so is 5 the answer? Someone else could say, well, 0 times 112 gives me 0, so is 112 the answer? So you have many possibilities here, and what does it depend on what you feel that day, that we should call 0 divided by 0 a certain value? And the answer is no, but for this reason, because it's arbitrary, you could have any value up here, we say that 0 divided by 0 is also undefined. So I'm going to say undefined value. So anytime you're dividing by 0, can't be done. If you try that in your calculator, it's going to give you an error real quick. If I take 5 divided by 0, it'll give me an error. Divide by 0, can't do. So I'm going to go to, and let me do quit. Sorry. So what if I do 0 divided by 5, though? That'll give me 0. All right, hopefully this